Allow the mind to become empty and open your heart to the source of all things. When harmonizing with the source, you can become more aware of the natural cycles and patterns of life, and how the ways of society reflect the rhythms of the universe. Lao Tzu suggests that returning to the openness of Source helps you develop a deeper insight in order to move with rather than against life's natural flow. Denying or oblivious to the way of things can cause a sense of confusion, frustration, and sadness. However, understanding what endures and uniting with it can help develop tolerance, impartiality, kindness, and generosity. At one with the natural way, you can deal better with challenges, and when the body comes to its end, you will be at peace. When wise ones lead, people hardly know they are present. The next best leader is one who is admired. The next kind of leader is one who is feared. And finally, one who is despised. Those who lack trust in others are often not trusted by others. And notice how, when people are not trusted, they might decide it's not worth being trustworthy because fixed opinions have already condemned them. Lao Tzu suggests that when evolved leaders act without unnecessary speech, people are able to discover things for themselves. And when leaders do not dominate or manipulate, people can feel as though they have accomplished things by themselves. Thus, a wise leader guides rather than rules. And by trusting others, people can enjoy their work more and feel self-governed.